everyone! In this video, we will be discussing how to create hover effects on your CodeDesign project. When creating landing pages, it is often necessary to change the style of an element when it is hovered over. This is done to emphasize the element and inform the user that it is interactive. Let's start with the header as an example. When you hover over the header link, you may want to make slight changes to its style. To do this, click on the element, and in this case, we're going with the Case Study menu item on the header. On the right side panel, you will find the Style Guide section, and underneath it, you will see an option called Default. This represents the default style of the element. To apply changes when the element is hovered over, click on the plus button and select Hover. Now make sure the hover option is selected as indicated by the blue outline. Any changes made here will be reflected when the user hovers over the element. You have various options available here, such as changing the font size or background color. Let's make a subtle change by increasing the font weight to make it bolder. Now, if you go to the preview, you will notice that when you hover over the element, the font weight is updated. To apply the hover effect to multiple elements, you can individually add them by going to each element and selecting the plus button. However, there is a simple hack to do this more efficiently. Instead of adding the effect individually, you can create a class for the common logic. Enter a unique class name, such as handleHover, and apply the hover effect to this class. Then, by clicking on each element and adding the class header link to them, the hover effect will be added to all these elements. This technique is not limited to fonts. You can also add hover effects to buttons, such as changing the background color. Simply add the hover option, select it, and make the desired style changes. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please let me know.